Let us make sure we are always truthful. If you have lost something because of your truthfulness, Allah will replace it with a million things. And if you have gained something because of your falsehood, Allah will replace it with a million regrets that you may have. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the ability to abstain from sin and to seek forgiveness all the time. For indeed, the one who is successful is the one who continues to seek the forgiveness of Allah. وَتُوبُوا إِلَى اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا أَيُّهَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ. And repent unto Allah, all of you, O believers, in order that you achieve true success. Be kind towards your parents. Be dutiful towards them. Speak to them in a respectful way, even when you disagree with them. If your parents are asking you to do something Allah has prohibited, you cannot obey them. Even if they say you are now doing uquq, you will tell them, my father, this is not uquq. This is actually doing you a favor. I am not going to buy your alcohol for you because Allah has disallowed that. Subhanallah. Speak in a very beautiful way. Don't abuse them. It's the second sin from Akbarul Kaba'ir. You need to memorize it and know it and talk about it, because the new generations seem not to give a damn about their parents and the status of parents.